กเซ็งกันเท MHIP ละนี่กับ Mizo Women Federation Shillong Branch กับไลโพตริกหรือสาวจารย์สันกับลาระเกกับจิงดับอาร์สันสแนมกับจิงยาลินตีจงกาปันไอจิงคร์ชานฮักเอ็มลังสะลังฮักจิงลังกับลาปลองฮักฮอลจงกับ North Eastern Council NEC Shillongฮักนี่กับสิงห์ละวันนี้ชิมบินตาโดมินทรีรังบะกับจลามิโซรามมุลลัลดูโฮมากุมุกองสันหาริงกัดกับจิงดอนลังกับบาริลวันในสังกี MLA นมิโซรามกุมกับสมบูรณ์กองสันกับลาลดาวลิอานีจังเตSecretary ke MHIP Shillong Branch nalor kwikwe ki balasha khot sngoba lapeni thoi phieng ye kini program de ki sor jingrai ki jingshat tan rai nalor kwikwe haga jing ekran pat ka secretary ke MHIP kalaong bakani ka seng gade ko pek kerpang na kabenta ki long kme bat khana Mizoram haba ki don kam ki la jingrap nadu ka pangistam ka jingdon kam ka pisa tingka nalor kwikwe pat
NGO non-government organization. Then our motto is help other people. So, but we here in Meghalaya, we cannot do things much. Like we are from our headquarters in Mizoram. So, but now we like from our Mizo side, no. When some people need sick people who came from Mizoram to Negrims, another hospital, then we have them like give them some money and all. No, like then what is we didn't do much. Like we cannot do much things. No, here in Meghalaya, but in Mizoram, we are a biggest NGO group.
So how do you look back 25 years?
25 years, yeah. Like I don't know what to say much now. Like we didn't do activities though. We don't have much activities. Only people like Mizo. We are helping. We're helping children who don't have buying school uniform, books, and admission and all like that. We are helping them. For people who don't have medical bills and all like that, we help. So then among the Mizo who have a family problem like husband and wife, no, like that also we try our best and we help them also like.
So that many students are coming from Mizoram here, and you are stationed here in Shillong.
No, we are branch.
Branch.
Yeah, only
Those
branch.
issues of students, you address. Students, they come for studies here from Mizoram. Many students come here.
Yeah,
So do
lots
you
of students.
Yeah. So you
No, actually, these students and all, they have their own organization like MSU and all. Then there's YMA people also. We do actually like children and women. Yeah.
Okay. So when they come for treatment, in what way you are helping them?
No, when sometimes they need blood or something like that, and some people they don't have for the what to say, like to stay back in the hospital. No, like sometimes in the women what you cannot men cannot stay. For that though we arrange some people like that not to stay with them.
Okay, women's groups play a big role in addressing the issue of drugs and HIV/AIDS. So what role you are playing at least to ensure that the people live healthy?
What to say, like the way I said, no, like anybody who need help, if we can give help. So our motto also, I told you, no, helping other people.
Hagway galyang layor banyakran bag barrel ka MLA kantay na Mizoram kabla pentep ba ka jala jongka kumki MLA kantay ki yo bai ka Kyrshan na ka Sorkar jala banile persha yu drugs badru ban kmi ban pe ka jingye ki bay day ki kantay kumjo ki kalung kana.
Well, as you can see, it's a joyous and a very momentous day for us. And I'm here to celebrate the 25th Silver Jubilee of the MHIP Shillong Branch. So MHIP is like, it's a women association, and also they have done a lot of promotional activities and dedication, and it's like it's public service. And we enjoyed a lot.
Okay, you studied in Shillong in 2014.
I
So
did.
can you recollect some Shillong connections?
Of course, it's a nostalgic moment for me. Shillong is my home away from home. It's my second home. I love it. I love the people, and I would love to keep coming back. As long as they welcome me with an open arms.
Women.
Oh, women MLAs. Yes, right.
Okay, can you tell us something about the women empowerment, more and more?
This is, I should say, it's a milestone achievement for the women out there in Mizoram, because in politics, it's kind of hard for women to survive, especially when there are no women reservation. It's a general fight. It's a neck-to-neck fight with men. So it's a very milestone achievement, and I hope this will encourage and empower more women to be involved in politics. So let's hope it will have a good result. We are advocating, we're promoting the awareness program, and we have done our best. The government is supporting us, and also as an individual MLA, as a female MLA, we're doing our best in this field to tackle all this problem. So hopefully we will resolve it.
We are also facing drugs issue here. Your suggestion to drugs?
Well, actually, this is a personal choice, I should say, but it's important to create an awareness program so that we can educate the people what it can, the harmful effect that it can have on the individual. So we will, promote the anti-drug awareness, and also we will continue to advocate for it.
The same thing can be emulated here. More awareness.
Definitely. Yes.
Habatin, pej bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy bakongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya